Welcome to the flowerschool.com video library. I'm Leanne Kessler, Director of the Floral Design Institute, and today I want to share with you a horizontal linear design. In a previous segment, you saw a vertical linear design, and we talked about the elements and principles, just like we teach in the classroom at Floral Design Institute. But linear doesn't have to be vertical, it can also be horizontal. So let's look at how you create this design. To begin, I create the horizontal line using the callus. You can mold them, just softly manipulating to get a nice graceful curve to it. Then give it a cut, and placing it in, letting it angle, bringing in another. Again, molding it if need be, determining where best to place it. Keeping it long and flowing. And you can bring in additional callus, bringing you back to the accent area, and then coming out the opposite side with kiwi vine to balance it out, determine which way you want it to look, then placing it in. That looks like it fits perfectly. Pressing it down so it starts to embed into the foam, but it isn't really inserted because I don't want to take up foam space. So using greening pins, just taking and placing to anchor it in place. To establish the accent area, beautiful cymbidium orchid blooms. Just taking them from the stem, giving them a sharp cut, and then using water tubes. Cutting a little larger hole so it isn't too tight on them. Insert it down in, and then place these into the foam. To complete the design, add in additional lines, filling in, creating more drama by the callus. Fill in with color and texture, making the accent area even more prominent. And then adding leaves to cover all your mechanics until you're happy with the finished design. Long and low, a horizontal linear design is anything but boring. You can see you can add so much creativity. Key is making sure your sides balance and that you have a strong accent area. For more creative inspiration and education, check out the website, flowerschool.com. If you have questions, you can reach us through there or by telephone at 503-223-8089. And of course, I love to see what you create. Send it to my personal email, Leanne at floraldesigninstitute.com, or post it on social media and hashtag Floral Design Institute so we all can see. Have fun and do something you love.